Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am bringing you Lily&Fox today, nails. I just got them in the mailbox. They're $2.99 each for each set, and if your nails are smaller, you actually get two sets out of them for the price of one, and they are nail stickers. They do have all their bundles now available. I think they're 4 or 5 wraps in a bundle, but this is how it comes. And nice presentation, Lily&Fox. And when you open it up, it has the nail stickers, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher. Sometimes they give you a little note right here. They didn't give me one this time. But it says, thank you for being part of the Lily&Fox family. We really appreciate it. We wouldn't be here without loyal customers like you. We're always working hard to get you the best design, so keep an eye out for new releases at Lily&Fox.com. They offer a no tracking, free shipping option, and then of course they go up from there. If you want to pay to have them shipped, I don't. It takes about 10 to 14 days. It says if you have any ideas or feedback, please send us an email at help@lilyandfox.com. Please share your mani with us on Instagram, Lily&Fox Nails. Enjoy having gorgeous nails. Love the Lily&Fox team. So it usually comes with another note. Well, it often does. And sometimes they give you a free set of wraps. These I just got are called Shake Your Tail Feathers. They're black with, hang on a minute, maybe you can see them better. They're black with a rainbow background in them, swirled around. Actually, the background is black, and then it's got the rainbow color swirl effect on these. They always give you a nail file or an emery board and a cuticle pusher. What I usually do is they peel right off. They're nice because they just peel right off. Very easy to take off. I usually peel them off every maybe like 10 days. If I get tired of them, I do it sooner. And then I use this to take the stickiness off of them and wait a couple minutes and apply them. They're very easy to apply. I cut them first, and then I peel them off, peel off the plastic outer layer, and then I cut them to fit my nail, and I try to make it so I can get 2 out of them. I don't have very long nails, and it usually works that way. I like to mix and match mine. So these I just got. I'm waiting for another 2 orders to come. I only get a couple at a time. I don't spend a ton of money on them. It's like my little treat every week. Right now I've had these on for 10 days. And these are little pumpkins with leaves. They're cute. I like brown. I like fall. So I thought this was fitting for this time of the year. And then this other one came with it, just a regular brown. It's kind of glittery, and then I match them with these glitter ones. So I like to, and this is how I use up my extra nails too, my extra stickers for my nails too. So this one's looking a little ragged right now, but I really like it, so I don't want to take it off just yet. And I think this is called caramel apple, this orangey and yellow glitter. So that's what I've got on right now. I'm not going to do them yet. I like these. I think I have another. I think I can do another round of them though. And I might have even bought 2 of them because I liked them so much. So that's lilyandfox.com. I started purchasing from them a couple of years ago, and I really like them. I don't have a lot of money to spend to go to a salon to get them done, and this just gives me a nice variety because I have a whole bag of them, a whole big bag of them. I'll show you. I have all these. Some of them I don't like now that I got them, so I sometimes give them away. So I got plenty, but there's always something pretty that I want to get, 1 or 2 at a time. So that's it. This is lilyandfox.com. They're a great company. They're very reasonable, and the nails do stick well. They stay on. I mean, I've taken multiple showers with these in the past 10 days. I've had my hands in water. I've cleaned, and I did not use gloves on my hands. I've done the dishes. I do the dishes a few times a day, and they stay on. It is rare that they come off. It is rare that they start peeling back, but they do get a little on the edges there, you can see. They get a little worn down. I'll probably do it in another few days. Okay. If you like these, if you like nail stickers, I know some people do not like nail stickers, but that's what I can afford, and I really like the variety, and the price is so inexpensive. You can't go wrong. If you like them, just go on over to Lily&Fox.com and pick yourself up a few nail stickers. All right, I hope to see you soon in my next video. I'll be posting more often now. Have a good evening and take care.